Well, today we're going to be doing a 2-inch, or maybe 2.5-inch leveling kit on a 4th gen Ram 1500, specifically a 2014 1500 4-wheel drive. We're not doing the cheap coil spacers. The customer went ahead and bought the actual coil spring leveling kit for it. So for this particular leveling kit, it's just going to be the upgraded struts up front, a little bit beefier rear shocks. I don't think we're doing anything to the rear as far as like a block or anything. Shouldn't be too bad. We're also doing CV axles while we're in there because they're trash. Here we are.
I should probably wire brush those a little bit. Maybe not. It took it. Yep.
Takes me a minute sometimes.
Yeah, so the front slide pins are totally different from the back slide pins. Totally forgot about that. Because these are nuts and then you pull them out. Oh, look at how easy that rotor just falls off. You don't gotta beat the shit out of it. Damn it. There you go. The clips is gonna be. Would you use?
Okay. Keep that on there a little bit. I need to go grab my purse.
Yeah, there we go. That's what I was thinking. It's just one of those things. So, yeah, why'd you do that?
Because I like to do things twice. My favorite. Man, these are good. Sweet.
Good.
Sweet.
Easy. I don't know, we don't really struggle too much working on this, do we?
No, this is actually a real treat to work on. A real treat to work on.
Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby! Don't you put that on us!
Where's your... Could it be seized and pushing?
So does 3 means it makes it stronger?
3 is high torque, so 1 is low, 2 medium, 3 is high, and then the reverse is just high torque until it stops seeing friction.
Oh.
You're actually spinning the nut back on the bolt.
I've seen that.
It didn't do anything.
Okay, so it's been like 15,000 hours. We're halfway through getting this out. The other side just popped right out. We got a new thingus somewhere. Here. Let's throw that in there. Had to cut that out. And this came out in 3, 4, 5, 10 pieces. So, yeah. We're making progress. Oh yeah.
Yeah, how it just sucks into that curve.
Isn't that my brake tool?
Yeah. that's it. Right there.
Sweet. Ready. No.
Was it that way? Oh, right, because the thing was stuck in the fucking thing.
There we go.
Oh, okay. Just a bunch of whiny babies. Holy dude, this is stuck on the damn.
That's how the other one too.
Well, that brake pad came off. Oh, dude, this wasn't even tight.
Save that receipt, lifetime warranty, son. I wonder how they warranty those, because they don't come out in one piece.
Yeah, I don't know.
Here's Johnny.
There we go. It dropped.
Great. Pretty easy peasy.
Starting to wonder if the left side CV joint was a bad one. I don't know.
Yeah. I remember seeing this one being all nasty.
That's what I thought too. I think we could squeeze it out without dropping.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot the sensor.
Yeah. Hold on.
Let me know what you want to do.
Try and just
Go
move her
back up.
again.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. That's not good.
And then we can just set it right here.
Look at this.
Ow.
You would.
Yes, I would. Hey, that works.
There's, yeah. I want to get closer.
Oh.
Uh-oh. I might have to order a new one of these. And then we're gonna have to pull this back apart.
Yeah.
We'll put the new one on.
Right.
Shocks ain't too bad. Get it all the way. Oh well.
You see these?
Yeah. These. And I don't know. The lady was like, "Oh, it just shipped." I'm like, "What?" And then they got there like later, so. Alright. Just put it the right way.
Sticker out.
You alright?
Yep.
Done.
Sweet. If you're done, let us know and
Yeah.
go. Ready.
What's this guy? Yeah. Okay. Going on. Coming. More. Okay.
Oh, that's no good.
Yeah, we're gonna need that ring, I think, or is this gonna hold it all the way in?
No, it's gonna push it more this way. So we're probably gonna need that ring. Wonder what you can use in place of that.
Oh, dude. Look at that. It don't even budge.
Awesome. You guys weren't on, the camera wasn't on. I used one of these Delta faucet things. I don't know, it's like a seal kit. I used a spring out of this because our original spring, like it broke in half and it's gone, so it wasn't working. We thought we could get away with it, but it's not a good idea. Anyways, upon searching, found this little springy thing and made it as big as the thing is, and it's working. It holds it on now.
We will replace it to an actual ring,
Yes.
but
But
just
to get them home. I didn't even have to do
no, I probably could have used it and it wouldn't spun at all, actually. So we got to tighten this guy spinning and this strut,
Oh yeah.
and then we can slap the brakes on.
Sweet. Right next to you.
Just take the torque and set it to 100 foot-pounds and make sure these are good.
Oh,
All good to set her on the ground.
well, that's it. She's all done.
Well, and the shocks.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Well,
not-
I mean the front, anyways.
So much better. And really the backs aren't that soft like springs. I tell you, she's a little bit louder.
Peace out, YouTube. So I made that out of a little spring. Yeah. And that was about the size of it when it came out, the OEM one. One that actually,
Shit, it was actually half.
like the circumference was, yeah. We heated that up a little bit to make it close more. We're going to try it. Ooh, much better.
Dude. Fucking heat me up.
Hold on.
Don't put it on crooked. That wouldn't be good. Okay.
Okay. Did it pull out? Check back there. Sweet. It's finger tight on the brakes, because you want these pins to fall out when you're driving through Ohio. Yeah, we had to put that little ring in the vise. I put some heat on it and it closed up nice. And then the issue was trying to get it back on the shaft. But once we did, it finally. So we were trying to hammer it on, and it was so open that it was taking part of it and just pushing it. So it wasn't actually. Yep. She's tight.